Goodwin-Cole offers 3 types of aluminum patio covers that are durable, stylish, and functional, perfect for enhancing your outdoor space. The lattice roof patio cover is an elegant option that provides partial shade while allowing light and air to flow through. It comes in 9 earth tone colors and can be customized with unique roof beam designs. For full coverage and protection, the solid roof patio cover is a great choice. It integrates seamlessly with your home style, comes in 9 earth tone color options, and can be personalized further with different roof beam designs. If you're looking for optimal insulation and climate control, go for the insulated solid roof patio cover. It's perfect for enjoying your outdoor space in all weather conditions. You can customize the color and roof beam designs to match both functionality and style. All 3 patio cover options come with a lifetime transferable warranty when professionally installed by Goodwin-Cole. Get in touch with Goodwin-Cole today to explore the possibilities and transform your outdoor space with unmatched style and durability.